Well, welcome back to computer class. This is Mr. Zaidama, and today we're talking about Acorn. And Acorn, as you see, it is a painting program. So, hey, paint something fun. So how do I get into Acorn? Well, on a Mac computer, you can go to your Spotlight and type in Acorn, and you will see that the top hit will come up and it will open it up. Okay, now in Acorn, it will ask you and give you these toolbars. So there's our color palette, here is our tools. I'm going to get rid of my color palette and just stay with my tools right now. Now, Acorn is running. Notice that it is running up here because it says Acorn. But if I go File and I say New, it will then allow me to choose, okay, a new size of an image. Okay, what new size of an image are we talking about? Well, you can choose any of size. This is what is called a pixel. A pixel is about, well, 72 pixels is about an inch. Okay, so if I want, about a 4.5 size by 4.5, I'm going to go 500 by 500. Notice I can get a black or white background, but because we want it transparent, I'm going to click the transparent one, and then now it comes in. Now the question is, what do we want to paint and how do we paint? Well, here's all my tools over here. I can choose then the type of brush I want. I'm going to go to regular. Okay. I can choose the color by picking some kind of green right now. And then I can start painting. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and choose a different color here. Okay, now, I want my brush stroke to be a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to grab a different color, and I'll put it something in the middle. I will then go, instead of my drawing tool, I want my fill bucket tool. So I'll go to my fill bucket, and then I'll say, well, let's grab a different color, and then I'll fill this in with that color. Okay, now, once I have my painting painted, now is the key that you have to know the difference between some file formats. So let me go and start by going File and Save. It's going to ask me where do I save it. Right now I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to name it Flower. Notice that it put a .acorn behind it. If I wanted to still work on my flower in the program called Acorn, I would have to save it as an Acorn file so that I can work on it again. Okay? If not, if I want to use this like in another program like Pages, like Google Drive, I'm going to save it as a picture. Now, the two types of pictures that we really use the most at is what is called a JPEG or a PNG. Those are the two picture formats that work with pretty much about anything. So I'm going to choose the PNG because that's the one I like the best. It works with transparency background the best, and hit Save. Okay, now I should have that then picture then on my desktop. Let's see if it went on my desktop somewhere. I might have a hard time seeing it since I have a lot of different things on here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to find it right now. But now it's saved as a flower.png. Now I can use it on any program that I want. Okay, so hopefully you've learned a little bit about Acorn because you'll have to be using that in our next projects. Okay, enjoy your day. Everybody say bye.